This show sucks.
Next up will be Ken.
I hate this show so goddamn much. Is there anything else to do in this house? What's that? Do not touch or suffer. What the hell? This is bull crap. I don't know what this is, but I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep it. Do not touch or suffer. Look at this thing. This is awesome. I love this. The hell? This is odd. What's the worst that could happen to me? Wait a minute. What's that weird feeling I have? Oh no. What the hell? Where the hell's my shirt? Where'd it go? Where is it? That just disappeared. And where did that shirt go? Where did it go? Oh crap. Where did pants and underwear go? No. What the hell is this thing doing to me? It's taking away my clothes. Oh no. Oh. Oh crap. It's okay, I'll be friends with you. This sucks for my goldfish. Damn.